Hello, it's Scott, and welcome to your virtual video walk around. Looking for an F-150? Love this metallic color. This is the 2015 Ford F-150. Stock number is 7248. On your virtual video walk around, we're going to show you this truck up close and personal. As opposed to looking at static photos, take notice of the exterior condition. Sport Edition 4x4, of course, with the tonneau covering. It's got the tow package in the rear. Super duper clean. We're going to take you on the interior in just 1 second. Making our way around the front, putting you in the driver's seat. Take a look at that interior, absolutely flawless. Lots of ample legroom in the back if you're taking friends, family, or transporting folks, or carrying some gear. Easy access, fully loaded, GPS nav, you have it all right here. This gorgeous looking truck. For more information, call, email, or give us a text. We'd be happy to answer any questions. Most of all, we look forward to earning your business. We hope you've enjoyed your virtual video walk around. Make it a great day and take care.